Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which mini refrigerator to buy today. Don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. A mini refrigerator in your bedroom or workstation would be pretty convenient. It allows you to store your preferred homemade food and beverages and won't consume much space. Its small size allows you to conveniently place it anywhere in your room, and can also be an electricity-saving alternative to a large refrigerator. Since there's such a convenient appliance to own, we have provided you with a list of the top 5 mini fridges that may best suit your preference. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The mini refrigerators that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price. And where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The mini refrigerator coming in at number 5 on our list is the GE Mini Fridge. This mini refrigerator features an indoor rack and tall bottle storage that saves shelf space and allows you to easily reach your cold beverages. Its 3 built-in glass shelves are perfectly designed for small containers and boxed meals. In addition, our team found the said shelves very easy to clean. At the unit capacity of 4.4 cubic feet, it provides ample space, allowing you to fit all your favorite snacks and drinks. It also has 0.47 cubic feet freezer to store small frozen items. Its freezer also includes a mini ice tray and a chiller feature along with a defrost pan. It has a manual defrost function that allows the user to defrost on schedule. Its upfront energy control is conveniently placed at the left topmost part of the fridge for easy access. In terms of design, its sleek, compact shape with recessed handles is perfectly suited for dorm rooms, basements, offices, or anywhere you need your mini fridge to be in. Its black, white, and clean steel stainless color options elegantly fit into any home decor. Our team also found that its durable compressor is tested to extreme conditions, allowing it to deliver reliable performance. Its 1-star energy rating means that the product was able to meet or exceed federal guidelines, which translates to less environmental impact and more energy efficiency. Our team at In the Kitchen believes that it provides all the functions of a traditional large fridge. It's convenient and easy to use, which is why we've placed this one at the top of our picks. The mini refrigerator coming in at number 4 on our list is the RCA Compact Fridge. This 4.5 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer comes with a stainless steel finish. Its space-saving flush back design and adjustable feet level are ideal for college dorm rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Our team found that its safe spacing design made the refrigerator easy to place in any spot. Its luxurious softline reversible door features an invisible handle that adds uniqueness to its appearance. Inside, it has 2 sleek removable tempered glass food shelves, which our team has found to be quite durable and very easy to clean. The door contains a dairy rack, food rack, can dispenser and bottle rack, perfect for storing a wide range of food and beverages. It also contains a small freezer together with an ice tray, perfect for storing small frozen goods. In addition, the refrigerator comes with a drip tray to catch any water that needs to be drained. Our team at In the Kitchen found its built-in adjustable thermostat conveniently placed at the upper right portion for easy control, keeping your food and drinks at perfect temperature. This mini fridge is compressor cooled, allowing it to perform well no matter what the interior and outside temperature is. It also offers CFC-free operation that will not damage the ozone layer in any way. We at In the Kitchen commend its energy rating of 5 stars, offering low energy consumption without compromising performance. Overall, our team finds this refrigerator relatively affordable while it has all the functions a fridge is supposed to have. Its space-saving design allows you to conveniently put it anywhere, making it a practical choice for your home, dorm, or office. The mini refrigerator coming in at number 3 on our list is the BLACK+DECKER Compact Refrigerator. The mini refrigerator is made for portability. It's small in size and sports a sleek design, which can easily go well with the aesthetics of any household or office. Its compact size offers a 4-liter capacity and has the ability to chill around 6 12-ounce soda cans. It also includes removable shelves, allowing you to store small food items. To our team's surprise, it has a versatile cooler function that goes from cooling to heating with just a flip of a switch. This mini fridge has a convenient carry handle, making it very easy to take along with you and place anywhere in your home with ease. Our team at In the Kitchen found its mobility perfect for people who like to travel or for individuals who are always on the go. It conveniently plugs into any standard home outlet and 12-watt car chargers, making it great for long road trips. In addition, it can also be used for your skincare routine for storing your favorite products. This mini fridge is also eco-friendly and Freon-free, meaning it does not carry any harmful chemicals. It is also CETL approved, proving that this product has advanced safety technology features for long-lasting durability. At the time of making this video, this item has a 1-year warranty, which our team considers as good after-sales service on their part. We at In the Kitchen consider it a brilliant choice for outgoing individuals. Because of its portability, our team considers it as the ultimate mobile refrigerator, earning its place at number 3. The mini refrigerator coming in at number 2 on our list is the COSTWAY compact refrigerator. This 2-door fridge operates just like the regular one, only that it's smaller and just as quiet. It has a separate top freezer with a capacity of 27 cubic feet and an ice tray along with it. It also has adjustable glass shelves, which our team at In the Kitchen found very easy to clean. There is also the presence of a can dispenser built into the interior of this door, perfect for grabbing your favorite soda. The mini fridge also features an internal thermometer so that you can easily adjust the temperature to your preference. It is also equipped with a built-in lamp for when you decide to check the fridge at night. What made this stand out among the others on our list was its inclusion of a crisper drawer, perfect for storing fruits and vegetables. In terms of performance, our team finds the refrigerator to cool quickly and evenly, keeping ice-frozen items perfectly chilled. It is powered by a cooling compressor, which provided us with optimum cooling performance. Despite its storage space, our team commended its beautiful and practical compact design. It had a great fit for small corners and spaces when tested. Overall, our team finds this fridge an excellent value, bringing years of quiet and reliable use. We also like its ability to store a wide variety of items because of its spacious interior. This mini fridge truly utilized the most of its space, which is why it deserves the number 2 spot on our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 mini refrigerator on our list, the TECCPO small refrigerator. While this is the smallest entry on our list, it still provides 1.7 cubic feet of capacity, large enough to hold 40 cans. Our team was able to remove its shelf, maximizing its storage flexibility, making the interior very easy to clean. Its doors are reversible, which allowed us to have the option of opening it to the left or right, perfect for tight spaces. It also features an adjustable leg so that it can stand on uneven surfaces. We found it ideal to keep under your desk, making it very convenient if you decide to grab a drink or a bite. Our team at In the Kitchen would like to highlight its low noise design, with its noise level limited to under 37 decibels. This provides a quiet indoor environment, perfect for individuals working at home. Backed by its Energy Star certificate, our team at In the Kitchen considers this mini refrigerator energy efficient. It only consumes an average of 0.55 kilowatt hour of electricity per day, saving your energy bill while letting you live a healthy, eco-friendly, low-carbon lifestyle. This mini fridge also features an adjustable thermostat control with 6 temperature options. This allows the user to adjust its settings based on the external temperature to keep the energy bill low. In addition, it also comes with a light degree freezing storage for ice cubes. In terms of maintenance, it features a convenient one-touch easy defrosting system that allows the users to solve frosting problems with just the press of a button. At the time of making this video, this 2-year warranty provides excellent after-sales service. Given its numerous features and practical design, our team at In the Kitchen couldn't ask for more. So we decided to place this at number 1. And there you have it, folks, the 5 mini refrigerators which got our team In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next mini refrigerator roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below, and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.